Are you ready to revolutionize your trading game? Introducing the Boom and Crash Auto Trading Robot, the ultimate solution for savvy traders. With the Boom and Crash Auto Trading Robot, say goodbye to guesswork and hello to consistent profits. This cutting-edge software utilizes advanced algorithms to analyze market trends in real time, ensuring you're always one step ahead of the game. But what sets this robot apart? It's not just about making trades, it's about making smart trades. Our robot combines years of market expertise with lightning-fast execution, giving you the competitive edge you need to succeed. Worried about leaving your trading fate in the hands of a machine? Don't be. Our robot is equipped with built-in risk management features, ensuring your investments are always protected. But the best part? You don't need to be a trading expert to use it. Our user-friendly interface makes it easy for beginners to navigate the complex world of trading while still offering advanced options for seasoned pros. So why wait? Join the thousands of traders already experiencing unprecedented success with the Boom and Crash Auto Trading Robot. Take your trading to new heights and start making the profits you deserve. Try it today.